Welcome back everyone. So in this video, we continue our journey from Indus River in the Arin Valley. If you have not watched the episode 3 of this series, please click on the link above. After crossing Indus River, you will be driving on the road towards Khandral on Kargil Leh Highway. You can visit Chiktan Fort along the way, or else you can move towards Shakar if you wish to visit Kaldang Kildang. Around 3 km before reaching Shakar, we came along this beautiful place along the stream. And this was an absolutely perfect place for a photo shoot. So let's get some shots. Shakar is around 15 km from Sanjak Bridge. You can visit the abandoned fort in Shakar, but we skipped that as we could not find much information. The distance of Kaldang Kildang is around 17 km from Shakar. Some local people call it Kilding Line short. In Google Maps, you will find two routes. We took the southern one. If anyone is aware of the condition of the other road, please let us know in comments. Kaldang Kildang is around 4,100 meters above sea level. This road was opened just back in 2021. Narrow gravel road towards LADAKH are available, which you can try at your own risk. And don't forget to keep an eye on the colors and texture of the mountains. connectivity is not available in this area, and you might be requested to convey messages among construction workers at different places. In our case, it was to send half truck more. The distance of Kargil from Kaldang Kildang lies around 40 kilometers. If you are coming from Kargil side, you have to take the diversion from Lotsum on the highway. As mentioned in the previous video, there are almost no options for food or fuel along the whole route, so you should plan accordingly. Driving along the Wakha river from Lotsum to Kargil. Here again, you can enjoy the golden autumn view everywhere. So our next stop was Hunderman village at the line of control between India and Pakistan. We entered Kargil city to have some snacks. You can bypass the city by keeping on the Srinagar-Leh highway. crossing Suru River, we continue towards the LOC. The road condition is okay in this road, but it is quite steep in many parts. Hunderman village was under the control of Pakistan till the 1971 war. After that, it came under Indian control. There are many stories of separated families across the border, which you can watch on many documentaries. You will be driving along Dras River, also known as Shingo River in this area, after its confluence with Suri River. As visible here, there is another road on the other side of the river, but it is not open for civilians. This road was actually the part of Kargil's Skardu highway in the past. There were efforts to reopen the highway, but there was no agreement in the end from both sides. The settlement of Hunderman village has been converted into a museum. It's a short trek from the road. Here you can see the memories of an Pakistan administered area. There are old photographs as well as Pakistani currency on display. We could not visit the museum as it was already past the closing time of 5 p.m. There is a border viewpoint in Hunderman, which you should definitely visit. The distance of Hunderman Museum is around 13 kilometers from Kargil. But the new settlement is on the river banks near the viewpoint here. With some decent equipment, you can see the last Indian post here, and some distance away the last Pakistani post near this mosque. There are bunkers of the Pakistani army. And further away, this is the Kargil Skardu highway on the other side of the LOC. So this is the viewpoint. This one is the Indian post. And this one is Pakistani post. You can even spot Pakistani rangers if lucky.